Hello friends, happy December. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little minute, but I'm back and we're starting today off strong, heading into our Ipsy bag. I'm still a little delayed for this month. I got this yesterday and it was too dark to film, so we're getting into it today. We have a little Christmas bag. We've got little red bows and a little Ipsy red ribbon. And this month is Play Beauty Spread Joy. It's been a little while. I stopped receiving Ipsy bags, but then they just started back up again. So I'm really excited to dive in here, especially for the holidays, December. It feels like Christmas already. Our first product in here is from Beauty for Certain. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this for us. We can see really what this is. I always hate unwrapping plastic off of products. Like, this is just such a waste. I feel like we should do better. This is from Fixation. It is a brow gel. I do like this little topper here, and you just twist it off and there you have your gel. Very interested to try this out. Usually brow products are very hit or miss for me, so I typically stick with Anastasia's brow products. But that's just why I love Ipsy, because it gives you an opportunity to try products without having to buy a full tube of it and end up not liking it. So our next product we have here is from Yenza. This is very different packaging. I've tried Yenza before. I actually really love their products, but this is their Tone Up Primer. I haven't tried this before, so I'm gonna try a little sample on my hand. I really loved their foundation. I discovered them at an Ipsy OS event. I don't know if you guys were around for those, but those were super fun. Wow, this actually matches my skin so perfect. It's supposed to minimize pores and it feels so smooth, really nice. I'm gonna be a big fan of this, I can already tell. Next we have this Adagio, hope I'm saying that right, Adagio Cooling Scalp Serum. I'm loving all the scalp products coming out. I feel like scalp health is the key to long-lasting healthy hair. So this is a clarifying treatment that gently exfoliates buildup, soothes irritation, and balances scalp hydration. Very excited to try this. I love a couple scalp products out there right now, so I'm wondering how this is gonna perform on my scalp because it gets really itchy and dry, especially around this time. So we're gonna see how it works out. Next we have a Tarte product. Always excited for a little Tarte in my life. This is their Maracuja Juicy Lip. The shade is super pretty. This is in the shade Rose. It's the perfect little size to throw in your bag. Definitely gonna be using this around the season. And last but not least, we have a little Luna Magic Amore palette. I'm gonna open this so we can see the shades inside. It's a very cute little palette. Here's our shades. I typically haven't been using very dark shades, just more of the natural look, but this is a very beautiful palette for the holidays. And that is all for this month's December Ipsy bag. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below and what you've received in your bag this month. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this.